On occasion, we're given a spreadsheet with a bunch of email addresses that we need to send out. This could be thousands. So how do we do that within our Office 365 environment? Stay tuned for this very, very brief video. So the easiest way to do that, here, as you can see, I have Excel opened, and I've just created these two email addresses. So you've got them right there. I could just do Ctrl A. If I wanted to, I could select it like this, or I could just put my cursor there and just drag down. Either way, anyway, it all works. Then I just do a right click here and I say copy. I could also hit Control, hold down the Control key, hit C, and then release both keys. Now once I've copied it, notice that it's in a little, see the little dashes around it? I'm just going to go here to my to box and I'm just going to say paste. Now notice that each one of these email addresses has been input as a different entry within Outlook. So now I'm just using the web version of Microsoft Outlook available in Office 365. And when I send this message here, we just put in test there and send, it'll send it with no problem at all. The message will go through and you'll be good to go. So it's really that simple. Just to show you that it all worked, I've gone ahead and went over to that message, test, double clicked on and opened it up. Here you go, it sent it out and it sent it to these two, and this one is one of the addresses that it's sent to. So works very, very well.